You guys, look how much snow we got. So much snow. Everything is covered with snow. As you guys can see, there's a big snowstorm today in Toronto. We haven't had one of these in a really long time. It's been just snowing all week. The air is so fresh, and it's not as freezing as it was yesterday. I'm outside because I want to go get some dessert. Just a bit of a walk. Yeah, we're gonna get more snow this week. Kids are playing outside in the snow. Reminds me of my childhood, playing the snowball fights and building a snowman. Some areas still have ice on them, so it's slippery. Past few years we didn't have this much snow, and this year it's a lot. I'm gonna get some hot chocolate and I'm gonna get some dessert, and I'm gonna be staying inside, keeping myself warm. This is the closest dessert spot to my hotel. I went there a few times and I liked it. It's a good spot. They've been around for a few years. There's some unique desserts. It's located a little bit further from the city, not like the main intersection, but I'm enjoying the walk, so it's nice. gloves because I forgot mine and I'm holding the camera. Cars driving. They cleaned the roads in some areas. That's nice. Okay, now we're approaching this. This is the dessert spot. As you can see, the cars are like fully covered. Gotta be careful with the icicles as well. It's called Sweet and One Cakes Pastry. We have such cool dessert here. My dessert. Can't wait to have it. The snow is like everywhere. It's a bit windy, but it's nice. I'm still enjoying it. Yeah, we used to go to school when we were kids in this weather all the time. All winter. Play like snowball fights. Do snow angels. But we haven't had a storm like this in so long. I kind of missed it, you know, I kind of missed the snow. I like the snow. It can't be too much, especially here. This for a few days now. They've been cleaning the snow not too far from here, so I'll be inside soon. To have my hot chocolate. Yeah, I took it to go, guys. I got my hot chocolate with a walnut cake, as well as the honey cake with the snowflakes. It stopped snowing for a bit, so I'm just gonna relax now and enjoy my dessert with my hot chocolate.